Growing up, I saw firsthand how much care matters. It wasn't the illness that stayed with me, but how nurses showed up. That experience shaped my path into nursing. Starting my Bachelor of Nursing at UTS felt right. Walking through the nursing spaces, there's an immediate sense of belonging. Friendly faces, purple scrubs, a shared commitment to care. I've met my best friends here. Being based in the heart of the city is a huge advantage. Everything's close. Places to eat, spaces to sit, time to breathe between classes. It gives you the room to reset between lectures and placements. UTS doesn't just teach us how to show up as nurses, they teach us what care really means. Person-centred care sits at the heart of nursing here. It's about listening, advocating, and being the voice for people that we care for. The sim labs are where everything comes together. There's a real sense of trust with your tutors. It's a space to learn, make mistakes, and practice in environments that mirror real clinical settings. So when it matters, you feel prepared. The masterclasses take learning even further. When I showed an interest in paediatric nursing and critical care, a tutor supported me by setting up an entire paediatric scenario. That kind of personalised support makes a real difference. At UTS, I've grown academically and personally, gaining the confidence to step forward. My goal is to become a paediatric nurse and eventually a paediatric nurse practitioner. I'm excited to get out there and make a real difference when it matters most.